Any recommendations for people who want to get into this space? Where should they start?
Good question. So I will say changing the culture, what I like to say is evolving the culture, because you don't know what you don't know. It could be very difficult. So if you're looking at getting into this space and you're very passionate about making these changes for the better, you have to slow down. You have to think about where you want to be and formulate a plan on how to get there in small chunks. You know, how do you eat an elephant? One bite at a time, right? And you have to understand that it's not a project, it's a journey.
Mm-hmm.
And so even if you think 5 years or 10 years down the road of, hey, this is my goal or where we want to be, you know, it's not going to stop there. It's still a continuous improvement, continuous journey. And kind of going back to what you said earlier, you just have to start, right? So
Absolutely.
pick something and just start it. And you'll start seeing, you know, improvements very, very soon.